Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I came across this picture. It bothered me slightly and I wanted to bring it to your attention to see what you are making of it. It is of course the picture of a baby, and everybody loves a baby picture. We all love babies. They're cute, they're cuddly. Who doesn't love the picture of a baby? Everybody loves that. But really, is this the future? Is this the direction of travel that we're going? Is this where we are now? Is this who we are as a people? I mean, look at what is being done to this child. I'm not even sure about the skin, and I'm reluctant to have any thoughts that there's skin toning going on there. But really, my focus is really on the makeup, especially the eyes. I'm really thinking, whose benefit is this for, and what message is this sending, and who is that message being sent to, and what is the impact that that message is expected to have? What purpose does this serve? This is a child that's probably almost certainly under one. So really, why would you do that to him or her? Well, her in this instance, almost certainly. So why would you do that to her? What sort of presentation is this, and what sort of parenting is going on here? Because this really baffles and befuddles me, and somewhat saddens me as well. It saddens me and bothered me to the point that I wanted to flash it up as what is going on in Nigeria now within our space. This is Nigeria 2019, and this is now the language that we're speaking of this sort of presentation. I'm not quite sure what is really going on there. I'm not sure if we have any social services within the Nigerian space, and if we do, what is their job and what is their remit, because this really comes under that umbrella. This is something that perhaps needs the attention of an expert to educate this person on parenting, because this clearly is not a direction of travel for any responsible form of parenting anywhere in the world. I do not see any single purpose that this sort of behavior serves, and it serves no other purpose than to upset. It does upset me, I have to say. It upsets me, and if I was there, I would have probably maybe not made a comment, because you don't want to interfere in somebody else's affairs, but through body language I would have expressed my displeasure, because it's quite displeasing. So what do you make of this? Baby pictures gone mad is effectively what is going on here. Baby pictures gone awry, bad parenting, poor parenting, or really I cannot really have a thought on what to think. So I'm bringing it up for your attention and for your comments in this comment section. You tell me what you are making of this parenting in Nigeria 2019, and this is the color of it, and this is the face of it. So come join me in the comment section, let me know what you think. But before you come join me in the comment section to have your say, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let's see what we are making of this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.